Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markar and today's date is 13th November 2021. Today I have discussed containment in Java. The containment is a way to design implements the has a relationship. The containment and inheritance both are design techniques. The inheritance is used to implement the is a relationship. The has a relationship is used to ensure the code reusability. Is used to ensure the code reusability in our program. In composition, we use an instance variable that refers to another objects. The composition relationship of two objects is possible when one object contains another object and that object is fully dependent on it. The containment object should not exist without without the existence of its parent object. In a simple way, we can say it's a technique through which can describe the reference between two or more classes, and for that we use the instance variable which should be created before it is used. Key point: the containment represents a part of relationship. Both entities are related to each other in the composition. The containment between two entities is done when an object contains a composed objects, and the composed object cannot exist without another entity. For example, if a university has a college list, then a college list is a whole, and college lists are part of the university. Favor composition over inheritance. If university is deleted, then all corresponding colleges for that university should be deleted. For example, of a university and its college, to understand the concept of composition, we create a class college that contains variable, that is name and address. We also create a class university that has a reference to refer to the list of colleges. A university can have more than one colleges, so if a university is permanently closed, then all colleges within the particular university will be closed because college cannot exist without a university. The relationship between university and college is containment. Thank you.